On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about the importance of making choices. Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show. Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 44 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm and hopefully your estate planning attorney. What I want to talk about today is the importance of making choices. And I can tell you that the timeline for my clients, even when they are creating a simple will and the documents that go along with it, can often take months to get back to me. And the reason it takes a long time is because they want to make sure they make the right decision. They think about what they want to do. They back and forth. Sometimes it's a difficult decision. But what I want to talk about today is the importance of just making a decision. First thing to remember when it comes to estate planning is that your plan is just that. It's a plan. So it can be changed at any time. It can be amended. It can be updated. It can be completely overhauled. It can be destroyed. You can do all of these things with your plan pretty much at any time. So don't be too afraid of making a decision and having to stick with it. If you decide to change your mind, then you can, and it's easy. It's very simple. The second thing to remember is that while this time is going by, you have no plan in place. And if you don't have a plan in place, then a judge is going to be there to make the choices for you if something happens to you. I was just talking to someone today, and this exact sort of scenario happened. Guy was going to the chiropractor. He had a bad adjustment, and it wasn't the chiropractor's fault. There were some other things going on, but he ended up being paralyzed and found out he had very significant cancer. There's all kinds of crazy stuff going on, and he didn't have the choices. He didn't have the things in place yet to make sure that everything was taken care of, and that's a huge problem. He's only 35, 36 years old. So that is what you're facing here. You know, we all know that we're going to die, but we don't know when. And so the sooner that you can make these choices, the sooner that you can settle on someone, your good enough is probably going to be way better than a judge's choice, because they may make the wrong choice. So today, my mission is to get you to make decisions. My plea is to get you to make decisions, and I hope that you can take the time to act quickly, act smartly, make good decisions, but know that you can change them at any time. All right, I'm Christopher Small, CMS Law Firm. If you have questions, want to reach out to me, 206-659-1512, 206-659-1512. Chris at CMS Law Firm. You can leave a comment below. You can do whatever you want. All right, so thanks for your time, and I will talk to you soon.